There you go.
Yes, record.
What's up, people? D Money 15. It's my boy Matty. We in the school garden. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. This is my school. We have a whole bunch of wings and stuff. Well, my school year been fine, good. 15. I'm about to be 16, September 2nd. But I am gonna have a Sweet 16 party. There was like graduation of 17. Both of my friends are leaving. Friend Mark and Lucy. But I had 2 more years in this school, but it's alright.
More than that, more.
But
She's staying.
show them the flowers. These are some,
Beautiful flowers. Oh, there's Matt.
these are some gorgeous,
I have top photo, y'all.
gorgeous flowers for you.
Beautiful.
You wanna
Miss-
say something, Maddie?
What's up?
This is Maddie. This is my boy Maddie, Matthew Seagrave. Show him the hands, Maddie.
No, there we go.
Yeah.
No gang symbols.
I guess that's it. The money, we out.
Matt, are you going to summer school?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.